All right, in this video we're going to talk about the product type tool. So if you are in the Flex Theme Sections app, just down here in my Shopify admin, under the store management tools, we have a product type tool, and I've already added it to my theme so you can see it's installed. So that adds a section that you can add to a page. So normally what I do is I create a page, and I give it a unique template, and then I assign this section, the JP product type tool section, to that template. You can say here, I name the template JP product type tool to make everything make sense for my very simple mind. And then what it does is if you look at that page on the front end of your website, it'll show all your products and show you the product category and the product type for them, and show you when there's issues. All right. So let's go in to the theme customization again and see how we can configure it. So I've got the section selected over here, and you can see my settings over here. And the first one I'm going to show you is you can check against product categories, product types, or both. So right now you can see product categories are listed and product types. If I select just type, then I reduce some of the clutter. So if your store is using product categories, you can use it just for that. If your store is using just product types, you can use it for that. Or if you're using a combination of both of those elements, you can select on both. In most of my client stores, we just use product type. So here I'm just going to select product type, and it's only going to show the product type, not the category, and check against the product type. Now you can also show all products in the collection or only show errors. So if you got lots of big collections and you just want to see what isn't properly done, you can just hit this little toggle here for just showing errors, and now you can see what the errors are and then go ahead and fix them. So let's leave that setting the way it is. We're going to save it. We're going to back out to the front end now, refresh the page. And here, as you look at things, right, it'll tell you what the error is. So this one has an error of invalid type. This one has a blank type, invalid type, and an invalid type. So you can click on any one of these, and it'll take you into the Shopify admin onto that product page where you can change some things. So the first one is, when it's got a blank, you can just click on it, and then you can type wax, which is one of our product types here, and then that one would be fine. I'm not going to save that right now. Now, one of the other things in the theme section settings in theme customization is we have this acceptable types up here. So this is for product types, not for product categories, because product categories is a defined list that Shopify gets from Google. So you just can't put anything you want. You have to match that Google taxonomy. But product type, you can make any product types that you want. So what we're doing here is we're allowing you as store staff to say, well, I only want certain product types to be used in my store. Now, we can't prevent them from being used, but we can show you when the product type doesn't match this list up here. So you can see here, product type of snowboard. Well, I've got snowboard up here, but this one has a capital S. So we can even detect spelling errors in your product types. Now, this one here of invalid product type of bindings, well, I don't have bindings up here yet. So just put in a comma and then put bindings. You'll see that error goes away because now this is an acceptable product type. Now, I don't have a product type for snowboard package yet, but I could add that in. So if I save that, go back out to the front end, now you can see here I can update this one to not have a small s and make it a capital S. This one I could add a product type to, and this one in theme customization I can add snowboard package as an acceptable product type, and that would clear out my errors in this. And then this tool will be available for you. You can come do it anytime you want to, and after you've added a bunch of new products to your store, you can look at this and make sure your product types are all mapping to your standards for your store.